If you've ever stepped out of a shower on a hot day and immediately wished you could feel cooler, then this Sea Breeze body shampoo, I have the super cool version here, is like giving your skin a tiny air conditioner. Imagine that post-workout feeling, that when the cool wind hits your sweat, bottled into body soap form. So this stuff is all about refreshing cooling. The secret is menthol. It gives you that brisk sensation that almost makes you feel like someone has turned the temperature down in your shower just for you. You lather it up and it doesn't just wash off the sweat and morning grime, it evaporates the heat from your body in the process. And that's perfect for summer, gym days, or any moment you'd like a I need relief status. Scent-wise, it's simple and clean. There's a fresh, airy ocean breeze type vibe going on here rather than that heavy floral or sugary stuff. It's that kind of smell that just makes you think, I just stepped onto a morning beach walk without being overpowering. It's crisp, marine-y, and refreshing. In terms of performance, this isn't a moisturizer lotion. Its strength is rather its cleansing plus cool effect. It gets rid of sweat, oil, and the I've been outside too long feeling. And the cooling effect lasts generally throughout your rinse, not after you get out and dry off. Because it's designed to wash off dirt and stickiness, it's straightforward. There's no heavy mess, just fresh skin. However, if you're after a deep hydration or super creamy foam, you might find this product a tad clinical. It's cool, crisp, and clean, not creamy and cocooning. So if your body soap could talk, this one would say, take a deep breath, it's cool out here. That's exactly the vibe.